It's 2019 and you probably have all sorts of New Year's resolutions planned for yourself. That is awesome. We're going to give you 10 easy tips to help you make room for accomplishing all of those goals. Hey guys, it's Joseph.
And Tasha with One Big Happy Life, and we make videos about how to find balance, build wealth, and live happy. So if you are all about creating a life that you love on your own terms, then we make lots of videos to help you out with that. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more One Big Happy Life videos.
Today we're going to be talking about some strategies to help you simplify your life and make room for all of the things that you really want to get done. Number one, start to budget a year in advance. You have no idea how much time this can save you, especially if you are redoing your monthly budget every single month. We actually did a video on this. You can check out the link in the description box. It takes us about 15 minutes to do the entire year budget.
And the great thing about budgeting for a year at a time is that it lets you plan your whole year out at once. So it's less likely that you'll be caught off guard or caught by surprise by expenses. And then, like Joseph says, it saves you a ton of time. So we have a free budget template over on our website that you can download. So you can just go to onebighappylife.com/budget to get your free budget template.
Number two, create a morning routine. Wouldn't it be great if every morning when you wake up, you don't even have to think about anything because it's all just a habit how you get ready?
So your morning routine can be as simple or as complicated as you like. So for years, our morning routine was just a basic get out of bed, brush our teeth, pick out our clothing, go downstairs, grab our food out of the refrigerator, put it in our bags, grab our bags, and leave. That was our morning routine. That was all we had to do, and it was simple and it worked. This year, we are experimenting with more elaborate morning routines that are like miracle mornings, where we get up and we work out and we meditate and we read and we write. And so just by setting yourself up to do the same things every day, like Joseph says, it makes your whole day run smoother, it helps you feel productive, and it makes life a lot easier.
Number three, prep for tomorrow the night before. This saves a lot of time and helps that morning routine that you planned out go even smoother. We make a lot of decisions throughout the day, and it helps if you can make as few as possible, because then you won't have decision fatigue and you'll make better decisions throughout the day. That's why if you're prepping the night before, it takes out those unnecessary decisions like, what am I going to eat? What am I going to wear? You don't have to do that.
Am I going to go to Starbucks? Because you'll brew your coffee the night before, so it's just ready for you, hot and piping the next morning.
Yeah, some of the best things that we do are prepping our lunches, picking out our clothes, and running any errands that we're going to need for the next day.
Ooh, one big one is getting gas the night before. So on your way home, look at your gas on your car. If you need gas, get gas on your way home versus rushing and potentially forgetting in the morning. Number four, create a capsule wardrobe. Now we have a couple of videos about this already on our channel, so we will drop the link to those down below, and also a video that I did recently on my show on the financial diet. But basically, a capsule wardrobe is a small curated wardrobe of where lots of things go with lots of other things, and it's full of stuff that you absolutely love and love to wear. So it's really easy to walk into your closet, grab a shirt, grab a bottom, and walk out because your wardrobe is curated. And so that just saves you so much time and so much money, because you're not just buying things just to buy them. You're buying them in a very purposeful way. And it just frees up your, like Joseph was talking about, decision fatigue. You just don't have it as much because you already know what all of your outfits are. You can see all of your clothing at a glance, and you can just grab what you need and walk right out.
Number five, automate your finances. Almost every single bank or credit union has an amazing suite of options to automate your finances now. So I'm talking about things like having online bill pay, having automated transfers to retirement or savings accounts. You can go in and set these up to occur on a monthly basis or yearly basis, however often you need to, and it'll save you on things like late fees and get you the best return on your savings because you know it'll be there every single month.
It also takes the willpower out of savings, so you don't have to spend your mental energy deciding whether or not you're actually going to follow through on your savings goals. It just happens automatically. You just decide once and you're done. Number 6, cut out toxic people from your life. We all have them. You know, those people that everyone sort of like dreads when they come around because they are an energy and happiness suck. The people that don't support you, the people that want to keep you in a box. I know we all want to maintain relationships. And yes, many of those people, we love them dearly, but try to minimize your time with them and give your time back to you so that you can focus on yourself and making the changes that you want to see in your life.
Number 7, declutter your house. It is a fact that having clutter mentally stresses us out. And so it's really important that you don't have it. So periodically go around and take things out of your house, out of your life that you don't use on a regular basis and don't constantly bring you happiness.
Number 8, fold your clothes standing up. Now, I know some of you are going to be like, oh, what? But I guarantee you it is life-changing. Thank you, Marie Kondo, because when you store your clothing upright in your drawers, first of all, it stays neater because you're not jumbling it up to find things. And second of all, I probably should have said this one first, you can find whatever you want immediately because you can see everything that's in the drawer all at once. And if you need an example of what that looks like, I will try to put a clip in here, but if not, go check out one of our cleaning videos because I'm usually folding clothing in one of those. And I will be doing a video showing how I fold everything so that you can start standing up your clothing in all of your drawers. But I'm telling you, it is life-changing. It will keep your drawers so neat, even your kids' drawers, even your sock drawer. It's amazing.
Tasha did this to my drawer, and I was a little bit skeptical at first, but oh my gosh, I'm a convert.
This was years and years and years ago. Joseph was like, what are you doing? I'm like, trust me, trust me.
Number 9, meditate. So there are a few things that you can do in your life that will increase your happiness, like your baseline happiness over time. Meditation is one of them. And so if you haven't tried it before, I recommend that you absolutely give it a shot. So an easy way to get started is using something like a meditation app like Calm that can help guide you through it, or ask a friend that already does it and see how much it'll relax you. I can almost guarantee that it will make a difference.
Another option would be like YouTube videos. I'm sure there are free guided meditations out there on YouTube, and Headspace is one that Alexis said that she likes. Number 10, do nothing. Like just practice doing absolutely nothing. Don't have time where you don't have anything scheduled, where you're not watching television. Just go outside for a walk and just think and be with yourself. I think we all underestimate the importance of just being able to just be by ourselves and be with our own thoughts in the quiet, which is somewhat different from meditating. It's interrelated, but lots of times with meditation, it's usually a guided meditation. So you're sitting there and you're thinking about things that the meditation instructor is like pushing you to think about, whether it's your body or your breathing. But sometimes it's nice to just like exist and just be and just like see the world, but not be actively doing something.
We hope you guys really enjoy these tips and put them to great use in 2019, and good luck accomplishing all of your goals.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.